Namaskar. Welcome to Gujarat Technological University. Gujarat Technological University, that is popularly known as GTU, has been established by Government of Gujarat via state legislation in the year 2007. The object of Gujarat Technological University is to develop the knowledge of science, engineering, technology, management and environment for the advancement of quality life in general and in relation to the domain of engineering and technological development of applications. Producing new knowledge and protecting existing resources is critical for a nation to compete in the global knowledge economy. This makes it important to consider all activities that lead to the creation of knowledge directly or help in protecting the knowledge. For India to become a global knowledge leader, we would need to be at the forefront of creating knowledge. This requires a favorable ecosystem that not only protects the ingenuity of the creator but also rewards knowledge creation through commercial applications. It is also necessary to protect traditional knowledge, create incentives for it, and also explore mechanism for identification of key IPR issues in new technologies area. The National Knowledge Commission, popularly known as NKN, is also realized the same. Friends, after starting of economic liberalization, there is a need for more effective synergy between industries, government, the educational system, research and development environment and the stakeholders. Some major innovation survey reveals that innovation is emerging as one of the key factors in India's economic growth, where large industries, firms and SMEs have increased innovation related revenues. Innovation is a key driver of growth based on knowledge inputs. Understanding the importance of innovation and visualized by Honorable Vice Chancellor Dr. Akshay Agrawal Sir, the Gujarat Technological University established Innovation Council in the year 2011. I am proud to announce that within a short span after establishment of GTU Innovation Council, the GTU Innovation Council became the first university-based innovation ecosystem for launching a mega effort in patenting and knowledge management. The exercise for the above is unique in terms of both scale and depth. Here, I would like to say one famous quote of the great Chanakya: शिक्षक कभी साधारण नहीं होता. Considering the proven power and inner strength of the gurus, GTU initiated to spread the knowledge of patent by successfully conduction of various 2 days workshop of patenting in engineering at different zone of GTU for the faculty working in different affiliated colleges. So far, nearly 1,000 faculties have been trained in the aspect of basic of IPR, patent search, drafting and filing of the same. Simultaneously, awareness seminar on IPR was also conducted for GTU students wherein nearly 1000 students sensitize a different zone for the same. Every final year student should take a project which is challenging and which has a relevance to Gujarat's context. Moreover, the project should be such that when it is completed, not only the student but the college can also take pride in the good work. Last year, 17,000 projects were anchored in real life problems from the industries. GTU students won 6 out of 14 National Gandhian Innovation Award 2012. A large number of patents application have been filed for these projects also. At these occasions, I would like to devotedly congratulate the gurus of this university for the great achievement of GTU students. I also, on behalf of GTU, extend my hands for cooperation with trustees and principal directors to achieve the vision of GTU Innovation Council by organizing such type of workshop jointly. Now, in this current semester, when students of semester 7 are going to identify and finalize the topics for IDP, UDP, it is necessary that if the said topics will be selected after through patent search, then it will make more possibility for patentable projects. This will add values in the research done by students at grassroots level and by and large boost up the goal of university to progress towards world class research oriented university. Therefore, in the phase 1, GTU has decided to organize one-day workshop on patent search methodology for the faculty of engineering at different zone level. Simultaneously, in phase 2, the awareness and patent search workshop will be organized for the engineering students too. Our this year workshop in IPR patenting are mainly focused on providing hands-on training of patent searching techniques using open source database and an overview of IPR and patenting. GTU has banked upon the experts from both industries and academia for the above workshop so that the trained faculty members can make best out of it and teach the students of their colleges afterwards. I wish all the best for the endeavors and assure all possible cooperation to make a vibrant knowledge society by using innovation as a catalyst. Thank you very much. Wish you all the best.